Experiencing body odor can be uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing. It's a common issue that many people face, often resulting from sweat, bacteria, and certain lifestyle factors. Fortunately, there are simple remedies that can help combat body odor and keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. Let's explore effective strategies to tackle this issue. Understanding body odor before diving into solutions. It's essential to understand what causes body odor. The body has various sweat glands, particularly in areas like the armpits and groin. When sweat mixes with bacteria on the skin's surface, it can result in an unpleasant smell. Factors such as diet, hormonal changes, stress, and lack of hygiene can exacerbate the problem. Recognizing the root cause is vital in finding the most effective remedy. Maintain proper hygiene. One of the most effective ways to reduce body odor is through proper hygiene. Daily showering, regularly showering, especially after exercise or hot weather, is crucial. Use a mild soap to cleanse areas prone to sweating, such as underarms and feet. Thorough drying. After showering, ensure your skin is completely dry, as moisture can promote bacterial growth. Use antiperspirants or deodorants. Antiperspirants help reduce sweating, while deodorants mask odor. Look for products that suit your skin type and offer long-lasting protection. Choose breathable fabrics. What you wear can significantly affect body odor. Here are some tips. Opt for natural fabrics. Choose clothing made from breathable materials like cotton, linen, and bamboo. These fabrics allow for better air circulation, reducing sweat accumulation. Avoid tight clothing. Loose-fitting clothes can help air circulate around your body, keeping you cooler and drier. Stay hydrated and watch your diet. What you consume can impact your body's scent. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush toxins from your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to maintain hydration. Balanced diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help reduce body odor. On the other hand, limit spicy foods, garlic, and onions, as these can contribute to odor. Try natural remedies. Several natural remedies can help manage body odor effectively. Baking soda. Known for its deodorizing properties, baking soda can be used to neutralize body odor. You can apply a paste of baking soda and water to your underarms or sprinkle it in your shoes to combat foot odor. Apple cider vinegar. This natural remedy can help restore the skin's pH balance and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply it to your underarms using a cotton ball. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, like tea tree oil and lavender, have antibacterial properties. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil and apply it to areas prone to odor for a refreshing scent. Practice stress management. Stress can lead to increased sweating, which may contribute to body odor. Incorporating stress management techniques can be beneficial. Exercise regularly. Engaging in physical activity helps regulate hormones and improves mood, which can indirectly reduce body odor. Mindfulness practices. Techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels, promoting overall well-being. Conclusion. Body odor is a common concern, but with a few simple remedies, you can effectively manage it. By maintaining proper hygiene, choosing breathable fabrics, staying hydrated, and utilizing natural remedies, you can keep body odor at bay. If the problem persists or you experience unusual symptoms, consider consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember, taking care of your body is key to feeling confident and fresh.